I have yet to start climbing the mountain. I just passed this coffee little shop, as you see behind me. Very nice guy. He said, it'll take 2 hours on average for the average hiker, 3 hours if you're slow, 4 if you're lazy, 5 if you're dead. I'm already going through my Powerade. That was supposed to be my electrolytes for later. So we're drinking that now. Still have a huge 2-liter water in my backpack. So we're still good on that. I got Pringles and some baby goldfish. Maybe not the best supplies, now that I'm thinking about it. I think this is the trail. I'm not 100% sure, because it's not like, you know, your average trail at a local suburb park, but well, this is gonna be interesting. I hope this is the way up. This is how inexperienced I am at hiking. So I went across this little river that literally I just made my last video right there, and I realized there's little markers on the other side of the river. So I, within literally 30 seconds of the trail, went off the trail. And we still have this much more to go. I'm already learning the lighter you pack, the better it is. Because I'm sweating and I'm not even I'm not even close. I'm getting second thoughts about following this little trail, which I'm gonna stick to it. But you see where this leads? This way. The mountain is that way. I see people in the distance a lot further up than me. Oh, I'm having second thoughts. It's so rewarding when you look behind you and see how far you've gone. However, the more you look, the less rewarding, because then you realize how slow you're moving. But yeah, sweating balls. There's no one in sight. How you get mauled by a cougar and no one would know? I don't think there's cougars here. But hey, morale is high still. We're gonna make it to the top. Everything's gonna be okay. Where'd the posts go? Lost the post. Here's one. Because right now I'm just sweating bullets. But I still got a lot of water left. Half a Gatorade or Powerade. Shout out to my sponsor, JK. If you're on this trip, it'd be hilarious because I make all these little funny inside jokes. Not inside jokes, I guess it's inside since I'm the only one here. Man, it's hilarious. It's a good time. No wildlife yet, though. I haven't even seen like a bird. It's weird. I just walked up this little thing right here. And I was worried about falling. I think I'm scared of heights now. Only good vibes here. Hiking was a bad choice. Oh, you can see the clouds just go through the mountain. And there's nothing like that. I'm literally in a cloud right now. The moisture. I'm starting to think, what if it starts raining? A couple of people saying cheers. I don't see any of them breaking a sweat. Yet I'm here huffing and puffing like the Thomas Tank Engine saying, yes, I can. You know, they should have like motivational quotes all throughout this path. Like, you can do it, for starters. Or like, you're almost there, even though you're really not. And something like, it's a great view. It's cool. Something. Because, oh my gosh. But this is more like a documentary / vlog of either Kevin's revival of life or Kevin's death. We got a little bit more to go. And the 2 guys from Derry, great guys. We were joking about splitting the airfare for 118 for a helicopter. I don't even know where to go from here. Look at all those rocks. I really don't know what to say at this point. I know 3 was lazy. No, 3 was slow. 4 was lazy. 5 was your dad. But no, I'm just a little worried about the way down. That's all. This is it. Standing at 5'11 and a half, weighing 169 pounds. Just climbed this beast of a mountain. I did it. I'm gonna keep on walking to make sure there's nowhere of the way. Going up, I can't even speak. Words aren't forming out of excitement. Okay, well, I guess there's more. I cannot wait. I'm gonna pass out at the top and take a nap, but I cannot wait. Here we are, standing at just shy of 6 feet, 5'11 and a half, 169 pounds, the top of this mountain with the best view ever, right? Of course there has to be bugs at the top. I think so. I'm not going down. And I met a dear friend and we're making our way down. Had a nice little pull of Jameson at the top. We went the wrong way down. We went this way down instead of going more direct. We're trying to find Damien. Is near to the top.
Demo!
So we're gonna find him before we go down. He's going back to look for him. If I see him on the way back down, I'm gonna yell. It's a lot nicer having someone with you. Things I learned: hiking, wear better shoes, make sure you pack light, more liquids, but it's also heavier. Traveling groups, don't go when it's misty like this. Be friendly with people. I can't emphasize just being a good person in life and interactions, because you learn a lot, and I don't know, just have a good soul. Oh gosh. I stayed a little bit just to make sure that we found Damien, or at least tried to. I talked to the couple that we passed, saying that they didn't see any Irishmen with a green jersey. I have confirmation that Damien did make it down. I just got back from this mountain. Freaking awesome. 4 hours and 10 minutes, minus 45 minutes of the walk here. That's how long it took me to go all the way up and down, search for someone, and get back safely. So now I get to enjoy my nice walk back to all this. So I got a few more steps to get back, but it's totally worth it. Oh, nothing like this have I ever experienced. So super excited, happy that I did it, and cheers, because it's an amazing experience. And you can see the smile on my face.